So after, how long have we been walking now? How many hours? 3?
2 hours.
2? So after walking 2 hours and scaling a mountain in a deforested area, we finally made it to the reservoir, which is just stunning again. But for us, our trail ends here and we take a sharp right and go down that way away from the reservoir. Would like to go down there and shoot by the reservoir, but alas, we've been lost on this trail once. There's no point in getting lost again. Right then, onwards, that way. That's making all the noise. Fighter jet. It's not every day you get to see a fighter jet. But this might not be the right way that we're going as well. I mean, this is fun following this book, I'm not going to lie. I am enjoying it and we've had some spectacular views, but damn, we've got to get to Swallow Falls. No, they're all the way back there. Swallow Falls. It's now just gone 5 o'clock. I'm not sure how far away we are, but one thing's for certain, the beers today are going to be just as well earned as they were on all the other days.
Goes straight across a track down a path that drops over a footbridge.
That's where it is. Here's our footbridge. Oh, they've got some tat in it though. I assume. Hold on. But that's not supposed to be in there. Because this feels wobbly as hell. I assume that sign might say something like "Do not cross."
I wouldn't stand on the middle.
No, definitely not. I have to tell them. You know when you cross this, don't stand in the middle.
Just get across quickly.
Just either go across quickly or stand on this side where the wooden beam is. I see road. Okay, this is the Miners' Bridge, but we're not supposed to be here yet. We're supposed to turn left at the top of the Miners' Bridge beforehand and go down that way, which is actually going to take us to Swallows Falls, because we didn't actually get to go to the falls yet. It's a lot further up that way, so following this guidebook is difficult. Walking some way now since we went to the Miners Bridge, didn't we? Ooh, could just stop like 1,000 times, but I'm looking forward to seeing the falls now that I've seen. Just been walking up alongside this river. Should be some great stuff to capture. Well, well, well. What do we have here? So this is an abandoned mining bridge. I only say that because there's two bits in the middle there. So some old building. So it turns out it was a miner's ruin. We was trying to say it's like all one bridge, but there was definitely used to be a bridge here. Definitely used to be a stone bridge here. Let's find out where we're going next. Hey, remember this place? Day 4. Swallow Falls today. But I think we're going to venture down here on the right. Yeah, it's where we originally started. 100% sure. We followed the road a bit further down, but here we are at £2. £2, right.
Let's see if I can.
Well, we're at the falls. I didn't realise you had to pay. I don't think any of us did though, to be fair, did we? After battling the turnstile, we're here. Beautiful Swallow Falls. It's taken a whole day. We've scaled a mountain in a destroyed forest with battled brambles and a turnstile that wouldn't open, but now we get to see the beautiful sight